In this video, I will show you how to find your steer messages or file or media file in WhatsApp group. Let me show you how. Open up your WhatsApp app. Open up a particular group. You are looking for the steer messages, just like so. Like for instance, if you want to steer this particular person message right here, all you have to do is to click and hold down and then go ahead and simply click on steer right here. Once you click on steer, you find out that an icon appear right here with a particular time, which simply means that you have steered this message. Then how can you find them? Most especially if there are a lot of messages in group and you want to have access to only this message you steer. For you to do that, what you need to do is simply click on the group name right here. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to steered messages. Go ahead and click on that. Then you have all your steer messages right here. This is the current one that will just steer right here. If it is a file or folder, you're going to see everything right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all your steer messages. However, this is also depends on the number of the time that you have steered in messages in any WhatsApp group. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WhatsApp topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.